Hello students, see this question from IITG 2014. We have two airplanes A and B flying with constant velocity. Okay, plane A is making angle velocity of plane A is making 30 degree with the horizontal. Okay, plane A is flying along this line. Plane B is flying along this line and its angle is 60 degree. Right. Now the speed of A is given to be 100 root 3 and at time t equal to 0, observer in A finds B at a distance of 500 meter and the observer sees B moving with a constant velocity perpendicular to the line of motion of A. Okay. So if at t equal to t naught, A just escapes being hit by B, t naught in seconds is what? So understand first of all, we have velocity of A will be along this direction. This is the velocity of A and that is equal to 100 root 3. Velocity of B will be along this direction. This is your velocity of B. Right. Now, what does this line mean? Observer sees B moving with a constant velocity perpendicular to the line of motion of A. That means they are talking about the relative velocity of B with respect to A. So velocity of B with respect to A is perpendicular to this line. That means it is perpendicular to VA vector. Okay, this is what the statement is. So now velocity of B with respect to A is velocity of B minus velocity of A, or velocity of B will be equal to VBA plus VA. So let's draw them. First of all, I have this VA vector. So this is your VA vector, okay, making angle 30 degree with horizontal. Then I have V of B with respect to A vector. This is VBA vector, right? VA vector plus VBA vector, VA vector plus VBA vector, and the angle between them is 90 degree. I'll draw the angle over here 90. Okay, this will give you the velocity of vector B, velocity vector of B, VB vector equal to sum of these two. So this plus this gives you the velocity of B. Right. Now the question says that this angle is 60 degree. That means this whole angle is 60 degree, and therefore this angle should be 30 degree, and therefore this angle should be 60 degree. So now we have a triangle over here, and in this triangle we know the length of the base is equal to 100 root 3. We know the length of this side, so we can easily find these two other sides using trigonometry. So for example, hypotenuse is VB, so VB cos 30 will be equal to VA. VB cos 30 is equal to VA. So VB will be equal to cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This will be 200 meter per second. And talking about VBA, VBA will be VB sin 30. Okay, or you could also write as VA tan 30. Alright, so this will be equal to 100 meter per second. So now we know the relative velocity, that is 100. Okay, and what does the question say that initial distance between A and B is 100 meter. Initial distance between A and B is 100 meter. And the plane B just escapes hitting the plane A. That means the final relative position between them is 0. Okay, this is your plane A and this is your plane B. Alright, they are moving like this and they meet over here. They are just escaping getting hit. So basically they are like meeting each other. So initial separation between them is 500, final separation is 0. That means you can find the time easily. Displacement, relative displacement, delta R relative divided by V relative. Relative displacement by relative velocity gives you time. So relative displacement is 500 meter because initial separation is 500, final is 0. And relative velocity is 100. So we get it to be equal to 5 seconds. Okay.